Page with redirect errors hurting your Shopify store's SEO? After changes in your Shopify products or collection page URLs, you will lose SEO ranking due to page redirection issues. If Google Search Console is flagging these issues, don't panic. I'll show you exactly how to fix them in minutes. In this video, we'll break down 1. What page with redirect errors mean, 2. Why they hurt your SEO, 3. Step-by-step fixes inside Shopify, 4. How to validate in Google Search Console. Stick around, this is a must-watch for any Shopify store owner. A page with redirect error means Google found a URL that automatically sends visitors to another page. While some redirects are necessary, like when you rename a product, too many can confuse search engines and hurt your rankings. Common causes in Shopify include old product URLs that weren't properly redirected, duplicate pages with conflicting URLs, broken links from theme or app changes. Let's fix them. First, go to Google Search Console. Once you're in, look for the Pages section in the sidebar. Click on that. Inside the Page Indexing Report, scroll down until you see the reasons why pages aren't indexed. You're looking for a page with redirect. It will often be listed under the not indexed reasons or sometimes categorized as excluded. After that, click to see the affected URLs. Now take note of these URLs and we'll fix them in Shopify next. Go to Shopify admin panel and go to content from the left sidebar. From there, click on menus and click on URL redirects. Then click create URL redirect. Enter the old URL that you got from Google Search Console, error page to, redirect from and correct URL in redirect to, and click on save redirect. You can also import the URL redirect in a CSV file if you have many URLs to be redirected. If you have multiple versions of the same page, example like product and products with S, set a canonical URL in Shopify's SEO settings. Now let's see how to validate your fixes in Google Search Console. After fixing the redirection, you need to test it. Go back to Google Search Console and go to page, and then why pages aren't indexed to, and click on page with redirect. Then you can click on validate fix if you have fixed all pages. Google Search Console will take 3 or 4 days to validate your fix after recrawling your website pages. Now, your redirect errors should disappear and your SEO will start working. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Drop a comment if you have questions. And hey, if you're looking for an expert to help with your Shopify store, whether it's SEO, custom development, design, or ongoing maintenance, I highly recommend checking out our website at www.maquae.com. We offer a comprehensive range of services to help your e-commerce business succeed. You can find a link to our website in the description below. Thanks for watching.